We had escaped the heat. It was way too hot, so we entered one of the hangars. This is the arts and crafts section, and this is exactly what I just said. Just arts and crafts. So, anyways, yeah, this video is gonna be all about quilts and crochet shit and arts and stuff. So yeah, enjoy. Let's see what.
The donuts are cute.
Let's see what random fucking dialogue I can add. But yeah, some of the stuff here is very cutesy. Donuts, sushi, and cacti. Yeah. Some belt quotes. Alright. Yeah, in and out kiss over there. Nice. Ugh.
That is adorable.
What the fuck? Alright. That's pretty cool. Oh, that's nice. Those are all ice. It's creepy shit. What mitts? Look at this one, sir. These are ice. It's pretty neat. What? That's pretty neat. Kitties. Neat. I like that one. It's weird plant things. Alright, that's pretty cool. It's like a random piece of log and they made like a whole little town on it. Yeah, I like this one. It's pretty neat. Oh, their tattoo, the cups.
Wait, girls.
That's pretty neat. I mean, see, there are a lot lately. People are like tattooing things. All right. Cool. Some handmade jewelry. Wow, these are very exotic. Fuck. Yeah, this is the table competition section. Some of these are very interesting. It's funny when you read like the judges' notes, be like, oh, the spoon was 8 degrees left or something weird, and you get deducted points and stuff. So like, I don't know. It all looks good to me. Table for the God. Was all the religious in one?
Yeah. Cheeses of Nazareth, hamburger helper, apple pie a la mode, holy water into one.
That's what that is right there. It's funny. Oh, this one has sound. All right. It's going under the water or something. It's like a submarine sound. Neat. Good job with this one. Cool, I guess.
Looks like the face.
Oh, it's a T-Rex. A Jurassic Park. Oh, I see it now. That is funny.
That's cute.
Alright, yeah. If one didn't have an accent, it's a T-Rex. This is Jurassic Park themed. Not bad. I should realize the electric fence. Right on. Down, get the down, get the down, 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 down. So Hawaii. It's the tiki room. Tiki room and tiki.
Oh, but see you.
You want to do this?
Yeah.
That one's odd, all the arms.
But the theme is find your happy, so they went like
Creepy, huh? Alright. Gingerbread.
These eyeballs on these potatoes. Oh, look, that one's sunburned. Oh, look, it's a potato family. Let's get a little video.
Those are smoking weed. Yeah, the baby
They're
one.
baked potatoes.
Ha. Funny. This guy brought out his Star Trek collection, huh? Look at this. It's more like a mosaic, kind of like just glass art in general. Yeah, that one's fun. It's a whole TV. You got Mario and Bowser there. Yeah, good job. See, if I zoom in a bit. That's pretty good. Got some cool miniatures here. Oogie boogie.
Upcycled handicrafts.
It's like artwork from like your great grandparents leftover fucking jewelry. You see that one? The Raven.
That's cool.
You got some Edgar Allan Poe action there. Beanies. Fucking beanies. I like that one. Like the hands making a blanket or whatever. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That's a cow plant.
Oh.
Right.
Art. Yes, restoration art.
Was that the giant opera thing in the end, or just something that
Nice.
was that on display, or did it just...
Saw Kermit the Frog over there. Just chilling, playing the banjo. Right on. Alright, that's basically it for this hanger. I got most of the shit I can. So, arts and craft. What this hanger's all about. So, that's all I got for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Talk to you guys later. Peace.